Day on the job for the new district attorney in Multnomah County. Mike Schmidt is a former prosecutor in that office and a graduate of Lewis and Clark Law School. Today, our Lisa Balick talked with him one-on-one to find out how he'll handle everything from protester cases to those involving the homeless. She joins us live from downtown Portland with her conversation.
Well, keep in mind the district attorney's job is to prosecute cases and actually before that to decide which ones will be prosecuted. But Mike Schmidt says his job is also to help victims. More than 450 protesters arrested in Portland in the past few months. But the new district attorney says don't expect many of them to be prosecuted. The focus needs to be on violent crime when courts are backed up due to the COVID shutdown.
When I look at the protest cases in terms of public safety, I think some of those cases are going to be pretty low priority for our office to proceed on. We're obviously going to review every single case, make sure that we've looked at them and determined whether or not there's a public safety reason to proceed. But I'm working with members of the community to kind of help shape a policy.
He says business owners, victims of looting, do need to be made whole by the criminals. He's a supporter of restorative justice.
I'm going to be very open as district attorney to thinking about what cases we could go and use a restorative process, sometimes in lieu of the criminal justice system process, or sometimes simultaneously or even after the fact. But really, the focus is going to be how do we get the victims of a crime what they need to heal.
Mike Schmidt supports diversion and treatment in some cases where conduct is because someone is homeless rather than jail time. I also asked him about officer-involved shootings in Portland, 6 last year. He does support the idea of the state attorney general investigating those cases. Now, speaking with him as well, he talked about the idea of this plan that he's working on with the community when it comes to prosecuting protesters. He said expect that out sometime next week. Live in downtown Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.